In this video, we'll be discussing New York State's new short-term rental registration law. I'm Brandon McKenzie. I'm an attorney with Moss & Moss, a general practice law firm here in Manhattan. Bill S-885C recently passed both the New York State Senate and the Assembly with bipartisan support. And while the bill has yet to be signed by the governor, if signed into law, the bill would require property owners to register short-term rentals with the state of New York every 2 years. Additionally, details, including locations and booked nights of the reported properties, would be reported monthly by municipalities to the Department of State. The bill also requires collection of sales and occupancy tax on short-term rentals. This comes as little surprise, as estimates peg uncollected tax revenue on short-term rentals at over $500 million over the last 5 years. Cities that have already implemented short-term rental registries would see those registries grandfathered in, but municipalities that have yet to create registries would be prohibited from creating new ones. The full text of the bill is linked below, and while Governor Hochul has yet to sign the bill, she's widely expected to do so. Again, I'm Brandon McKenzie. If you have questions about how this law may affect you, please feel free to contact our firm.